Welcome back to my channel. I am Miriam, and today with me is my babes, Chelsea.
Hello.
You know, you guys have seen her here and there, heard her voice. But here she's here with us to do a proper video.
Can't believe I'm here. Like, I feel so honored. Like, oh my gosh. So basically, hey, why are you smiling like that? So basically, I'm Chelsea. My name is Chelsea Ugo.
The almighty Chelsea.
You know, I'm Miriam's friend. We're practically sisters.
We are.
Yes.
So, remember the last video that we did together with the vlog? So I said we would do a proper how did we meet video.
Yes.
So this is it. How did we meet?
So how did we meet?
Do tell.
So basically, we're uni friends. We started off as uni friends. So we met at uni. So it was first year, and there was like a law fair, right?
Yeah, it was registration day.
Yes.
It was a Wednesday, I remember.
Was it Wednesday?
It was a Wednesday.
I don't even remember it that well.
Yeah. And I remember these things.
Yeah, you do remember dates, don't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, so there was a law fair, not really a law fair, but like a law meet and greet, or like a social thing. So like you would just go there, meet your fellow peers that were studying law. So I saw her there. We were basically in the same group of circle of people, and I think I asked you where you're from.
Yeah, we were just introducing ourselves, like going in a circle.
Yes.
And then she was like, oh, I'm Chelsea.
Yeah, because that's who I am. Like,
she's like, oh, I'm Chelsea, and you're like, yeah. You know, where you from? She's like, I'm from Nigeria. I was like,
Nigeria.
In my head, I'm thinking.
Okay. No, but okay, you know when I said I was from Nigeria, which tribe did you think I was from?
I didn't think you were Igbo, that's it. I didn't think, she doesn't look Igbo.
But to be honest, a lot of people say I don't look Nigerian.
Exactly.
Point blank.
Yeah. No, she doesn't look Igbo at all. So you never actually registered.
I feel like I look Igbo. Like
until she chased me to the toilet.
Anywho. So I introduced myself, Sha. I asked her where she's from. She said she's from Nigeria. So I thought you were Yoruba.
Interesting.
Yeah, like, you know, like a Bolanle or an Abiola, something like that. You know. But now I know she's an Uzi. But, so yeah, so she was like, okay, I'm going to go to the toilet. Disclaimer, I'm not a beg. I'm not a beg friend. I was just like, okay, I think I need to go to the toilet too. So, why are you looking at me? I know it's because I'm fine. Anywho.
I mean, that's true.
Standards. So I followed her to. No, I didn't follow her to. We both went to the toilet, please, cause as lawyers, we understand.
She was behind me. I was heading towards the toilet.
We both went to the toilet together. Unfortunately, I was behind her. As lawyers, you have to be careful with your choice of words, because you will not tell me I'm a beg. Anyway.
She followed me, Sha, to the toilet. Continue.
We went to the toilet together because we both needed to use the toilet. So, we were in the toilet. Then she asked for my number. Seeing you, but you did. Open your mouth and tell me.
I'm thinking, did I?
Miriam, no,
I think it was in the toilet. No, wait. I asked her. I think I asked you now at this point, like, which part of Nigeria are you from? I told you I was from Imo State.
Exactly.
And then I was like, where are you from? And then you're like, I'm from Anambra State.
I never said it like that. I said Anambra State. Anambra State. That's what I said.
Anambra State.
I don't even know who she's talking about.
She said I'm from Anambra State.
Anywho, so yeah.
Yes, I was very jollied. I was jollified.
Yeah. Refreshified and happy.
I was jollified.
As in,
yeah, I was like, oh my gosh. And then she told me, like, oh my god, I met my evil friend. Of it in my head, innit? So
that's what I was thinking as well.
So I was like, yeah, she's definitely.
Wait, we missed out a big part.
Which is?
So the first time when I met this girl initially, the first thing that came out of her mouth to the whole group is she said, oh, I'm not here to make friends.
I wasn't.
But here we are. Anywho.
No.
She said, I'm not here to make... Who says that?
No, you have to bear in mind, yeah, our age difference as well.
Damn. She said, I'm not here to make friends.
But I wasn't.
I was just like, okay. In my head, I was thinking, okay. And we're still here.
But how did that make you feel? Did it make you...
I was just like, you're a weirdo. You came to a whole social gathering and you said, I'm not here to make friends.
I didn't come to make friends because I've already, in my head, I already thought that I've met the friends that I had, yeah, from, you know, Soraya, them lot. I said those are my sisters already, so I wasn't trying to make friends. And then
look at who's here.
Look at who's here. Friend. But are you not? Say the truth and shame the devil. Are you not?
Yes.
Exactly. Thank you.
But you're having to be my friend.
It's a mutual something.
Exactly.
So you have to understand my point of view. So I was coming in 20, turning 21. Yes. And then a group of people, children, 18. And it's just like, it's just a lot because I feel like everyone was just doing too much to prove themselves, even within that small circle.
You think so?
I believe so. And then it just felt like I didn't want to force anything and I didn't want to impose myself on children as well.
Lol, so, children.
You look like kids, you're still kids.
I was just 18.
No, for you, like you are too grown for your age. Yes. But you have to understand in my mindset, I was just like, nah, I really can't come and be giggling with children. Like, you guys are not children, but for me, you guys were much younger than I was. I know I didn't want them to think that I was too grown for them, and I already know that I was too grown for them as well.
But no one was thinking that, though.
No, that's what I'm saying.
But in your head,
yeah.
For your mind,
and for my mind. And it's just like, I didn't want to, because I knew, like, university experience, everyone wants to move mad, you know.
No, I hear that.
Yeah, so I was just like, I'm not here to make friends. And it's like, I'm gonna come here, get my degree and bounce. That's really what I said.
Get out of here.
I was like, I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to get my degree and skedaddle. That's it. And yeah, so we went to toilet. We exchanged numbers.
She asked me for my number.
And I'm proud of that. That's okay.
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 As long as we're telling the truth here, that's beautiful.
So I asked for her number because I said, you know what, this is my Igbo
I see
sister.
potential.
Yeah, I was like, this is my Igbo sister. You know, that's like, maybe this is God answering my prayer because I've always wanted an Igbo friend. I was like, where are the Igbo people? Where are they?
I've been praying for this for ages.
Where are they?
Yeah.
And then we started talking.
Yeah, we started talking. I remember.
She's gonna say I called first.
But you did. She slid into the DMs first. But you
texted me first. I called.
No. Miriam,
you called me.
No, but you have the records.
I don't have the records.
You're lying. Because I remember we spoke about
I don't have the records. At least not anymore. My other phone maybe. I don't have the records.
Liars. Anyway.
So she called me first.
Because why did I call you first? Tell them.
Because I was not in class.
Hey.
I had gallivanted to a court.
Oh yeah, because we used to go on there were like these trips to courts.
Yeah.
To just see how the court system works and all that stuff.
And then I went to some boring session as well. It was so dead. So I was on my way out now. I think I'm probably heading home. Josh was like, where are you? Hello? And then I was like, what? She goes, we have a criminal law tutorial. I said, no, we don't. She goes, yes, we do. Yes, we do. She's like, yes, we do. And I was like, well, it doesn't show on my timetable. She was like, well, it started today. She's like, where are you? I see, I was running. And then I managed to make it on time. And did you sign me in?
I think so.
Yeah, she signed me in, and then
because I'm such a sweetheart.
Yeah, that's basically it. Actually, no, before then, for the Fresh Affair, because you know we had the reception.
Yes, we did go to Fresh Affair. Yeah, we did.
And then you were asking me very personal questions. I was like,
was I?
Yeah.
Well, like,
I remember. Yeah, yes, you did. I remember. She was just like, I was coming. I was like, oh, I have to leave so and so time. We were like, why? Because I said, oh, I have pick up school duty. She was like, what? You have kids? Are you married? And then you were like, oh, you don't live with your parents. Oh, you don't remember this?
I don't. When I say I'm not here.
But she was asking very personal questions. And then in between the time, her mom called her like 5 times. And I'm thinking, Chelsea, are you a mommy's girl?
I really am.
And then I was like, in my head, I'm thinking, so when all of this was happening, I'm already calculating. I was like, oh, she's a very lovely girl. You know, she cares about her mom. Her mom cares about her. And I was like, yeah, this is definitely the kind of friends I want to keep. Somebody that understands the value of family. Yeah. For me, I was just like, your mom helped you.
Yeah,
she helped you.
You guys have like this spiritual bond. I don't get it, but I love it.
Your mom really, and Obi, because Obi did call you as well. Like she used to call you a lot, and I was like, fam, this is the kind of friends that I need in my life. Not anyhow somebody that just disregard family anyhow. Because I'm a very family oriented person myself, so I need somebody that understands that. And then seeing the way she is with her family, I was just like, yeah, this is a keeper. Defo.
Oh my god. Yeah. So with you, so besides the I'm not here to make friends, you seem really cool.
Yeah.
Like do you know what? Even though age doesn't mean anything right now in our friendship, I did kind of see you as like an older sister in first year.
Oh, I mean, I think I was moving.
You were moving like an older sister though.
No, but think about it. Like again, it was just they were like, you remember you guys should go to like the elite license and everything. I was just like, I'm not. I'm going home. I'm going home. I was like, Miriam, just come. I was like, I'm
seriously,
going home.
I wanted her to jolly.
No,
just have some fun.
No, I was like, nah.
She was like, man, I'm not. And the thing is,
but we still had fun though.
We did.
Like,
where did we go? Okay, we went to Primark a lot.
Tell KFC story.
Hey. Like, is it Tottenham Court Road? Where is it? What's the road?
Yeah, but it was the other way. So you know we went through the UCL route.
Yeah,
it was
that KFC on Tottenham Court Road. We have stories.
Okay.
So yes, Miriam, she was a sweetheart. At first, I was just like, just be calming down, be calming down. I'm not here to hurt you. But after that, after we got past the no new friends thing. Like, yes, it was just really nice. I think we were able to click.
Yeah.
Even though, like, in the first few months of first year, we were still trying to get to know each other, like, understand each other.
She was very reserved. Chelsea would be so quiet. Like the thing is that she's not quiet, but she's quiet. Like, for me to get to know you, it would not tell me secrets and things like that. Yeah. But just let me know things that people don't know, if that makes sense.
She likes tea.
I like gist. But yeah, and then she used to be so quiet. In my head, I'm thinking, why are you not disclosing? Like, why are you not saying anything? It's like, do you have something to hide? But then I knew like she was still open, because when her parents or like her sister would call her, she would pick up the phone in my presence and she would still talk. So it was fine. But I was like,
well, okay. But the thing is, you remember when we had this chat recently? The reason why I was so quiet,
it was because of me.
Yeah.
It was because of me.
Auntie was just on piss. Like, initially, like, I was just like, I don't want no smoke, so let me just tread. Let me respect myself.
It really wasn't. And I remember even in first year, I used to sit alone in the lecture hall. Do you remember?
Yeah.
I used to sit alone.
Far away.
I used to sit so alone, and
I was just like,
I would intentionally put my bag on the chair next to me so nobody can sit next to me.
And like, I would think, is she gonna turn around? Does she see me?
Yeah. And then you'll be over there, like, hello.
So if someone is behaving like this, tell me why I'll open my mouth. Why? So I was just like, let me respect myself.
But it was what brought us together. What brought us even, I think it was after my birthday, when we went to get the dinner together.
His kitchen.
Yeah, and then we kind of like, I was just like, okay, this girl's, she's bougie. I'm like, oh, okay.
I'm so done.
I was like, look at me, very Igbo, very village, and then you have this babe. I say it would come, it goes hand in hand. Yeah. I was like, I have a lot to learn from her.
As well as a lot to learn from you.
Because she was so into makeup, and then I started wearing makeup very late as well. And then this girl was just like, the thing is, you didn't used to wear makeup all the time in first year, but I was like,
but it was often.
Yeah, it was there. So I when she come, just like lashes be flashing.
flying away.
It will be lashing.
Take off, baby.
So yeah, I think that's we can. I was like, fam, this will be a good.
And the thing is, the fact that you knew how to speak Igbo, you were basically brought up in Igbo land.
I'm very Igbotic. Yeah,
very Igbotic. And the thing is, I feel like I am Igbotic, but the thing is, I just needed someone to bounce that energy off, because the thing is, like, my siblings don't speak Igbo. Well, Obi used to, but she forgot.
Yeah.
So I was just like, I need this.
Yeah.
I need this in my life.
It was a mutual.
It was
it was very mutual. Like,
we thank God.
Yeah, it really balanced off a lot of things, and then from there, after my birthday, things just started progressing.
Yeah.
And we started hanging out more.
Yeah.
And
we were always together.
Yeah, and I remember one time I told her something personal, and she really let herself, like, you were very attentive.
Yeah.
She was very attentive to what I was saying. I wasn't even ranting, I was just talking. And then the way she was just like, God's got you, I said, fam. I said
yeah, I was so done. I think also the fact that we're both spiritual.
Oh my God.
We're both Christians.
Yeah, and it just, when I say tick, tick, tick.
Yeah, I was just like, who are you?
And I realized as well that she likes Nzu as well.
Hey, that thing's my
we
crack.
Connected.
It's my crack. Oh, hey,
we connected at another level for the love of Nzu. It was
like Nzu and us. No.
It was just ticking.
Yeah.
And then what we started doing more was going out more, as in eating wise.
Or sometimes she'll bring lunch for me.
Oh yeah, I did do that, really.
Yeah. Sometimes I didn't do it as much as she did, but sometimes I would bring food.
That's what she thought I was an auntie.
But yeah, she would bring. Sometimes she would bring lunch. I was like, oh, this is so cute. I was just like, okay, let me bring lunch.
Yeah. No, I remember one time you brought soup for me though.
Yeah, I brought you soup, and then you had some jollof rice.
Yeah. I couldn't wait. I started eating the soup at uni. I just went home, made myself some nice Gary. We don't even pan the jam, because pan the jam takes long.
Yeah.
Gary, it was nice. But it wasn't you that cooked the soup though, so.
You didn't have to tell them. You didn't have to tell them.
But yeah,
my mom.
It was.
Or, my mom. I'm my mom now.
Yeah,
I'm her daughter.
So that's it. That's really what happened, and I'm very thankful for Chelsea and how far we've come.
Yeah, I'm really thankful for you too. Like, hey, I have a sister. I mean, another sister. Love is sweet.
Like, really, and then just like the fact that her family welcomed me as well.
Yeah, oh my God.
It was so easy. It was so easy.
All the time, they're always asking, okay, so what's Miriam doing? Okay, is she doing this? What's she doing? I was just like, hey.
It was so seriously so easy. I remember when I first came to your house, it was first year summer, innit?
Yeah,
I believe it was first year summer, and then her mom she was just like, my daughter.
And they were speaking Igbo, and they were speaking, and that thing pained me. I was just like, so you know how to speak Igbo to somebody else, but me.
Because it's easy, because for you, she has to think. She was like, would you understand this?
But that's what I mean. It's okay. It hurt my feelings.
Oh.
I was like, I felt so left out. I was like, I really need to do better.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
It was okay.
It's okay.
It was okay. And then 3 years after we started our degree together, registration day. Think about it. Registration day. And today, what happened?
We graduated.
We got our result.
We graduated. We are lawyers. We are law graduates, baby.
It's not easy.
It's not. It wasn't easy.
It is not easy. We finished
in a pandemic.
In a pandemic. We graduated, you guys.
We thank God. We give God all the glory.
You can't talk to us anyhow. But God is wonderful, because we really went through this journey together. It's not just us two as well. Like, we come as a pair, but there are other people as well.
There's other ones.
Yeah, there's other people as well. And even like in our uni friendship circle, no, everyone knows that it's just us two.
Yeah, because there was even a time in uni when, okay, someone would see the us where's Chelsea.
Yeah, McKay used to do that a lot.
Yeah.
McKay would be like,
even in the emails.
Yeah, McKay would be like, send my regards to Chelsea. I was just like, Okay.
Because
yeah.
That's just how we are.
We used to hang out a lot, but we were different people, but we were together.
Each other's handbags.
Yeah. Even okay, I think we're gonna do another video talking about our food experiences.
What do you mean?
KFC.
Hey, no.
We need to talk about it. But
KFC.
Yeah, that's the end of the video.
What did he say? Can you please?
Can you carry on with your business?
You will see this in the next video. Can you carry on?
So yeah, I just thought we'd just do a simple video telling you guys how we met and obviously a bit of our journey so far, but there's more to come.
Yeah, but just like that we're graduates.
Yeah. Just stick around and watch another video. We're gonna do another video right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe
that thing. The last video did a lot, and I really thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Bye guys. That was cute.